Module 5. Well, how would you do that in Drupal? When you're new to Drupal, it can be pretty overwhelming to try and figure out all the ins and outs. And indeed, this has just been really an introduction to theming. You'll want to take a lot of time to look at the theming manuals at Drupal.org, as well as look at other sites that use Drupal and ask yourself, well, how did they do that? If this was a live class, we'd break up into groups right now and spend some time doing just that. But since we're not, here's what I'd like you to do. Head over to DrupalShowcase.com and take a look at some of the beautiful sites that have been listed there. You can take a look at their landing pages, top-level category or section, or even a full node page, and spend some time doing the following. 1. Take a look at their content type planning and design. Take note of the elements from different content types, list all the content types that might be being used, examine the field and design elements. 2. Take some time to wireframe the page that you're looking at. What regions are they using? Identify what blocks appear consistently across the site on every page or even just the page you're looking at. Identify what contributed modules they might be using. Are they using panels, display suite? Sometimes it's hard to tell, but you should be able to tell if you look at the code. Then draw a wireframe of what you're seeing. Identify how elements on the page might be assembled from static content or generated from views or another module. Finally, plan out your theme. Ask yourself, is there a base or starter theme I could use? And believe me, it's so much faster when you do. Identify where you might need to do some of the following. Override a template file, override a preprocess function, use a theme function, or even override a string. Now, we didn't cover all of that in this class, but it is covered in the theming manual at Drupal.org. But these are some of the things that you might want to consider as you're looking at some fantastic Drupal sites at DrupalShowcase.com.